how does your skin shine so much? How's your skin texture so good? I am Manju, a yoga therapist from Stress Free Yoga. So today let's learn how to improve your skin texture, how to enhance your confidence, how to work on yourself, how to work on your sleep disorders. It's just a simple kriya which helps you remove your headaches, your migraines, improve your blood circulation, working outside and removing the toxins, the negativity, the impurities internally. And you see that your face starts shining. You see a very awesome texture. I have been trying on myself and it has worked wonders. So it's called Kapala Randhra Dhouti. Kapala is your forehead, Randhra is the cavities, and Dhouti is cleansing. Keep your thumbs just above the temples and start massaging your forehead from left to right and right to left, moving your fingers on your eyebrows also, at least 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pinching your eyebrows. 1, very smoothly. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a smile on your face. Just move your fingers on your full eyebrows. And now keeping 2 fingers, the index finger and the middle finger by the sides of your nose, and just moving it in a circular motion upwards, covering your sinus points. This kriya decongests your sinuses and clears your sinuses. You won't have any sinus problem. It's a very simple kriya which you practice daily, you'll see the changes. Just come back, tighten your palms and move them in the upward direction. Just massage your face very softly towards the upward direction. Now, index finger on the lip and remaining fingers down from one cheek to the other till the corner of your ear. Just move your fingers in an upward direction. This is improving your blood circulation and removing the toxins. Your blood circulation will improve and you'll see that your face is very clear, shining, the texture starts improving. Take your neck up and start massaging your neck in the upward direction. So this was a very simple and a very important effective kriya which we practice daily just for a few minutes. You can see the changes. Thanks for watching the video. You will see that after practicing this, your confidence goes up, your headaches, your tensions, your anxiety, your migraines go down and your skin texture starts improving, especially on the face. Like and subscribe the channel so that we keep connected whenever I upload a video. And any comments, put them in the comment box, which I would love to see. Watch my next video on a stress busting technique. Thanks a lot. God bless.